This dude right here, him and him wife, them call him World Boss Su Deo from Trinidad. Them kill him in a 2019 at his house. A big car drive up and spray him with a machine gun. He is a Trinidadian Zillionaire. Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. I am going right into this. This dude right here, him and him wife, them call him World Boss Su Deo from Trinidad. Them kill him in a 2019 at his house. A big car drive up and spray him with a machine gun. He is a Trinidadian Zillionaire. Him have a whole heap of money, or did have a whole heap of money. As you can see, him lay down in the casket and him have over $100,000 worth of jewelry, and then him have him Bentley, and Bentley drive him come at the funeral, and then them cremated. Now, rumor have it, say Rasta City gang them kill him, but me think different. I'm gonna explain. Them kidnap the youth here, which is Sheron Sukhdeo, this a World Boss, the Zillionaire brother, and them find him dead December 6th that year. Now, let's go.
April 22nd, Sukhteo's neighbor Joshua Plaza, 21, of Savannah Heights, Charlieville, was shot dead. Like Sheron, he received a phone call, and when he walked outside he was killed in cold blood.
So, the neighbor of Sheron Sukhdeo, or Rachel Sukhdeo, he get a phone call and come out, and the man them yam him food. Now, when you see what's going on, well, me I give you some insights. Sukhdeo family don't think it's the Rasta City gang who kill him. The Sukhdeo family think it's his wife, this lady right here, who kill him. As we move along, look at the picture in front of you. Now, that's a young man who works for Sheron and Sheldon Sukhdeo. Remember, World Boss is Sheron, them kill him, then them kill him brother. Now this guy right here, he works for Sheldon, World Boss, them and him brother, and then end up kill him. Then find him in our car with him body burn up. Notice the tit for tat. You kill my dog, me kill your cat. Them shoot off of Rachel, then Rachel shoot off of them. This girl Rachel, she have a lot of shit going on with her. But this guy here, them kill him, and him work with Sukhdeo. The murder them. The family of Sheron, them feel say, I'm wife kill him. They have been together for a long time, but him cheat on her, him do all sort of things, him embarrass her, him beat her. She end up going to police station upon him over the years, and nothing no come out of it. So the family, them feel ashamed with. My personal opinion, when anybody dead from suspicious cause, shooting, murder, whatever, I know the police always look into the family. But it just seems like Trinidad and Jamaica is just the same thing, because Mr. Sheron, him get a phone call and step outside on him phone, and then them drive past him big house and full him up of grains with high-powered weapon. Why don't the police go for the phone and check the last phone call, ping the number, then ping the cell tower? I mean, that's where you start your investigation. We live in a modern age. But back to what I was saying. them kill this brother, yeah, Basant, Rachel cousin. And I feel like the family feel it's her, and I feel like it's her, but there is not no 100% proof. But all the clues are there. Just like Sherlock Holmes said, when things become impossible and look impossible, that's when it's possible. I remember I had a series of breaking in my house. I had 4 break-ins. More breaking than the age of my youngest child. And for the love of Christ, every time I moved there was a break-in. And I couldn't figure it out. And I thought about what Sherlock Holmes said. You see, when it looks impossible and implausible, that's when it's possible. And come to find out, my so-called best friend was breaking into my house. Yeah, my house, countryman house. Let's go. Now, when you think things can get worse, look at the screen in front of you. It says a bomb was put underneath a BMW at Sheron's auto dealer. Now the brother died, and this was just before the brother died. And they kidnapped him out of his X5 or X10. I don't know if them have X10, but them kidnap him out of a big time BMW. Cause them have millions of dollars, you know. And kill him. But guess what? They put a bomb underneath the BMW before. You see what I'm saying? And this thing keeps on going. Now look at the picture in front of you. This man, the police say, was a hitman. And he's the friend of Sheron Sukhdeo, the millionaire car dealer. And he was a hitman. Them slap him away last year. You understand? None of this murder has been solved. None of this have been solved. As a matter of fact, out of all this case, the police don't find nobody. Only one person get charged, and he was the guy who get charged to put the hand grenade underneath the BMW. And here he is. Look at the picture in front of you. That's the notorious robber contract killer Jamal Walker. Now, this guy, as you all know, he died recently by the 6 camp, allegedly. Let me use the word allegedly. And that trigger off an outrageous war. Since Django dead, nearly 10, I'm gonna say, and about 33 people dead in Trinidad right now. And I'm not gonna say it's because of Django, but a lot of that is because of him. What they did, they kill him, and then the Muslim, them rise up and start helping certain sects. Now, it is stink out there that Django was hired by that lady right there in front of you. He was hired by her to do some contract killing. As you know, Sheron was called out of his house, or he was called out of Rachel's mother's house, and he was shot. Just like the neighbor. And Sheron's brother, his brother, was kidnapped and murdered. A ransom of ransom of $2 million was paid, but I was told that Django still killed the man. You know, Django is also responsible for the kidnapping of a Jamaican Chinese guy, and the guy had to sell his house and everything in Trinidad to pay Django them to get away. Like I said, this is a very disturbing thing I'm hearing, but when I saw how Sheron died, and I talked about it in many videos, I said it had to be the wife. But for some reason, I couldn't put it together. But now it's put together. And from my intel, it's alleged, and let me use that word one more time, that this young lady, Rachel, she hired Django for some contract hits. People were dropping like flies on both sides, and it's alleged that another contract hitman was working for the Sheron's family. I am going to talk about that hitman, but for this one, we're speaking about Django. So Django, you look like the culprit in the series of murder that happened around Rachel pertaining to Sheron and his family. Like I said, I do not have 100% accurate information, but the information I'm getting, it really makes sense, because Rachel hated Sheron. You see, she had no sympathy, nothing. You see how people were trying to kill her, and you see how people around Sheron, his brother and everybody was dying, and that had to be somebody close, and I knew she was probably involved in it. So I'm gonna wrap this video up, but if anybody have any more information on this subject, please contact me and let me know. But as for now, Django was working for Sheron Sukhdeo. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. I'm out.